which we cannot see, they still shine if we disbelieve. Lonely gems in the canopy, burning bright, just like you and me.
Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between and beyond, welcome to our stream number 316 on this at least surprising 9th of February 2026. I heartily welcome you all. As you might or might not have seen in my Twitch story, we have news. And the news are not the best one. And it has nothing to do with my voice going away. Just saying. But the news is that after we have used our dear lovable app, right? After we have worked like 2 weeks or something, I think it was 2 weeks, or at least 1 week and something. Yeah, we don't have credits anymore, and the credits are going to reset just in March, 1st of March actually. Isn't that beautiful? Somehow I think it is really beautiful. So after all this time we have spent, and it did work quite well. It was not perfect. We had to correct quite a lot, or try to correct something, and unfortunately we are at the moment exactly in a version which is not working perfectly fine, because our enemies are simply too strong, and there's still too many problems. So friends, I don't know how we're going to continue, honestly. I was very surprised when I saw it yesterday. That's also the reason why I did not stream a second time after we talked to Nano yesterday, right? I was planning to do a second stream, but when I saw this, I thought, oh no. Oh no. The gods of developers, the developer gods, are against us. And not surprising, we are using cheats in a way, right? Yeah, friends. So I have a few thoughts for the day. One of them is we are going to write to Lovable and saying, friends, I am a very big community streamer. Our stream community is like gigantic. Please keep in mind that I'm going to talk about Lovable on stream. You know, I wouldn't be so surprised if there would be something on the homepage telling me that you can't have more than, I don't know, more than 50 or 60 credits used in 1 month in the free version. But I think there's not such a thing. Or maybe they just implemented like a few days before, like a few days ago, after they saw that we are using too many credits. That is all possible, but yeah. So this is what I'm gonna tell you. Oh, by the way, now I see. If I'm going OBS too low, then the microphone is not loud enough. I see. So one of the ideas is to write to Discord, write to Lovable, but I don't think it's gonna help a lot, honestly. I don't think it's gonna help a lot. So one of the solutions is, or the other solution is, that we are going to try out today other online vibe coding alternatives, like the competition of, or like the direct competition of Lovable. But for this we have to do some research first. And also the other possibility is we are going a totally different direction. For example, using local coding AIs, which I was trying to get used to already today after yesterday's shock in a way, right? So yeah, Mm, this is the situation right now. I am a little bit unhappy, of course, that it happened like this, but what shall we say? This is how life sometimes go, right? This is how life sometimes go. So what do you think, friends? What shall we try? I think we are going to try out first some direct competition of Lovable. We are going to see if they have information about how much you can really do in 1 month. And yeah, this is the way to go, right? And if that is all not working, we are going to try vibe coding on the local machine in a way. Though I think it's not going to be really vibe coding, but more of a we have to copy everything, and maybe we are going right away a WordPress plugin version. Because I have already a server, I have already a WordPress site, so this is something that we could use. Anyway, as you can see, at least I have the Pokemon timer up, which is of course not the biggest success story. But okay, so we will see what we're going to do, what we find out. Let me try you the situation. Oh, so a Wiglet is appearing. How does it look? Oh my god. Do you see this as well? Is it usual that it is not even moving? I mean, what is that? This is a Pokemon, right? Shouldn't it like move a little bit or something? It's just I don't think it would be good if it would be moving, honestly, but it looks yeah, not family friendly very much. Okay, Pocket Catch, let's get it. The Wiglet. The best Pokemon out there. Best Pokemon out there, friends. Alright. So, yeah. Cool. Yeah, to see one more time to get us Lovable, which is free. The free credits reset on the 1st of March, friends. So if no one is going to use my get free credits link, then we are stuck for the moment. But I think I should. Do I have already like a bot which is telling me what to do? Just sending the information about Lovable. Wait, where is it? What am I looking for? This one. So I need the bot. I think I did set up something, but okay, I want to give back, help us power more communities. Well, chat commands. Do I have Lovable already? Lovable. Actually, it should work. Lovable. Really? I like it. That's a very long. That's a very long go. Lovable. Do you see something, friends? That's not really working, is it? Am I crazy? Does someone see a link? Oh, because I'm writing it wrong, of course. Love. Yeah. So there's the link, friends. Oh, please. Oh, God of the developers, help us. Yeah. Okay. So I would like to see if we're just going to the homepage. Is there a homepage? remixes project. That sounds good. Let's go like pricing. I want to see if there was an information that I wish I missed. Pro, enterprise. Wait, is there no free version anymore? Oh my god. Oh my god, don't tell me that they decided to don't have a free version because I was using it too much. That would be crazy. Oh no. No, really? There's no... I think there was a free version before that. On the free plan, you get 5 credits per day with a total limit of 30 credits per month. Oh no. So they did not lie. It is all there. It's all there. Okay. Okay. Cool. So what are the direct competition? I was trying to look for some of them already. Bolt.news, is that it? Hostinger is one, I think. And there's also like a blue something. I was trying this Pinocchio thing, but somehow it did not work for me. I don't understand what exactly it is for, actually. That's how confused I was by that. Because I have now LM Studio, which is helping with the AIs, but this was not really helpful actually so far. But maybe I, of course, did not understand something. Let's move this to games. Yup. Yes, games. And we need a little bit more space here. The Wonder Cat. I think the design arena. Yeah. Of course, the other idea is also to use online coders like simply Gemini, GPT, and so on. But the last time when I used them, I got to the problem, to the point where they were not happy about me using too much of their power as well, right? So I think with the online free solutions, we're always gonna get to a point where it is simply, simply too much usage on our side. That's cool like that. I think we are always going to be in such a situation at some point. Okay.
If you want to build a web app that actually works.
Yeah, that's how I usually will look. How I watch YouTube clips, like on 2x speed. Okay, Bolt.new. Public and private projects, 300,000 K tokens daily limit. 1 million tokens per month. Bold branding on websites. 10 megabyte file upload. This could be already quite a problem. Because of the pictures, right? Because of the pictures we are using for that. But let's try it out. Let's try it out. Yeah. What was the other thing? I think it was called Blue something. Blue Stack or Blue something. Let me Let me try to log in. Authenticating. Okay. Bolt.new. We're still authenticating, or what is going on? Is bolded? Start new chat. Get free tokens. Let me take a look. Personal, create a team. What will you build today? Create stunning apps and websites by chatting with AI. I mean, it is as well using Claude Agent, right? Like actually lovable as well. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. Or let me try maybe find the other one as well. So what is it? Hostinger is one of them. Hostinger, Replit. Bold. Okay, let's try to look. No code app builder. Yes, this is one. Click app. Okay, let's try them. Wipe code Gemini. Beam, 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 beam. Build apps through WhatsApp with AI. Well, what is that? Wasn't there something like blue? Or was it bold? I try to remember. Let me try to take a look. I have saved it somewhere. I'm not sure actually. No, that is all not it. Lovable. That's still not it. Can't remember where I put it though. No. Something with blue, I thought it was. Wait, friends, let me take a look. Maybe here, actually. Let me take a look if I find it here. Tippity-patoo. Tippity-patty. No. What else? Wait, I think I found it, maybe. Or not. No, that's not it, is it? I think it's not. Friends, we have a Taurus. It is strange. I think it looked another way the last before my computer broke down, right? It was not just a picture, was it? I think it was like really a something moving. Maybe I'm wrong. Man, I don't know how I can't find it. Yeah, okay, I can't find it. Very good. Perfect organization. Perfect organization, friends, right? Maybe it was bold. Because it was blue, but the only AI that works how you work. Browser moment. Your super agent. Actually, it doesn't look like it is something that we really... that we would use. What do you think, friends? Wipe coding blue. Blue something. Was it Bob? Blues? No. That was not it. Yeah. Okay. Let's try Bolt AI. Okay. But how are we going to do that? Shall we just... Should we just... How many points do we have on one time, actually? Your chats. Where do we see how many points we have or something? Yeah, well. Maybe we are going to use some different approach. Or something like that. Tell us about a little about yourself. You will be rewarded 1 million tokens. Okay. What am I? Content creator, yeah. What best describes the workplace? Yeah. How would you describe your AI no-code building experience? Basic? Because we have already tried Lovable. Yeah. Probably actually personal for the moment. What are you looking to achieve at Bold? Build and launch an app. Yeah. So we got 1 million points. I have no idea how much that is really giving us, but it looks on the first glance, it looks very much like Lovable so far. I don't know where we see how many points we have, which is a little bit unfortunate, I would say. Pew, 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 pew. Current token balance. Unused tokens expire on 1st of March, so we have already used a few. Is that right? Have we used already 60,000 tokens? Maybe something like that, right? Well, the other thing while we are waiting is that I actually would like to download all the files. Can we do that best? Is there a possibility to download like everything? Probably not, right? Wait, that's not where I wanted to go. Wait, where is now our... I don't need this. It's here. What I can say, at least, is that it is a little bit more favorable to see how much we can really do in 1 month and so on. I think that is actually better. Start for free. Okay, let's do that as well. Okay, what do you want to create? Are we going to create like the same prompt? I think so, right? So this is where we go. Let's put there the same thing. Oh, by the way, I did not take a look on how exactly the price configuration goes. 5 eye credits left. Additional eye credits are one-time use, are used after your monthly credit limit and expire 3 months after you get them. Huh? Someone understand that? Hosting and dashboard. Oh wow, it is asking us something. That's actually not bad. This is a fantastic idea. A Gamified Habit tracker with RPG mechanics and turn-based battles will be engaging. Before I start building, I have a couple of quick questions. User account. Do you want to use it to create accounts and look into... Yes. Yes. User accounts. Habit types. What kinds of habits should user be able to add? They should be able to create custom ones and also zap tasks, habits. Something like that. Oh wow, look at this. Bold Cloud is ready to use. Learn more about working with Bold Cloud in our help center. 13k daily tokens remain. What you got? Use of the Angel would sign up a login quest system where you can create daily habits, create process, gold currency, and arena tickets earned from completing quests. Turn-based battle arena with 5 different monsters to fight. Wow. Pokemon style combat with 5 moves: attack, strong attack, strong attack, defend, and heal. That doesn't sound like Pokemon at all, but okay. Real-time battle log showing all actions and damage. Full HP restoration after battles? Why? That is absolutely doesn't make sense. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let's try to get into it. Username. Let me check here. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay. So we are now on bold.new. Your quest. Together better. Level Warrior 1. Interesting. Arena tickets 0. Okay, let's create a quest. For example, yeah, I don't know. Push-ups. I don't know, 5 push-ups. Oh, there's no... Okay. Available tickets 0. Why don't I have tickets then? It's not really working, is it? Complete quests to earn them. Yeah, I did. Okay, you can just click on it and then I get health points. Obviously, makes sense. Slime. Okay. Alright. And I can heal. Okay. You have defeated slime. Do you feel it? It's already not that cool. Yeah. Experience. Yeah, I already think that's bad that I did not describe everything as much as I could right at the beginning. I think we should write a lot more precise things. Use this chat to see each step Horizon completes and suggestion it makes. For the best results, keep your messages simple, short, and focused on one change at a time. This is something that actually the video from Hostinger is not really recommending. So you can do more of the things same time, but okay. Be specific about what you want to add, change, avoid messages like I don't like this or make it different. Add images as a reference for your design or feature idea. Check the knowledge base for step-by-step guides. Select add the content above to change text and images without using messages. Oh, that's cool. If you run into errors that can't be fixed after multiple tries, find the last working website version in the chat. Okay, that's good. For the best results, keep your messages simple, short. Yeah, okay. Thank you. That's now repeating. Almost done. Oh, we can't put away the tips. And also, friends, we have a swine up. What is a swine up, friends? Wow, that's cute. It actually looks good. But I think we did have another... Wait, friends, I want to take a look. Give picture. Oh, I think it is. Did I use just the picture? I think it might be the problem. But it looks a lot sweeter, I think, than the version with the... Or what do you think? Browser. Oh no, I did not even try to get it. I was thinking too much. Great. Great. Pokemon. Give. Okay, let's go for them. Okay, why is it so small? That's a very small question mark. Let's put the question mark on the question mark. And we will see it later. Let's go here. Now let's go there. All right. Perfect. Nah, that's perfect. Oh wow, why is it all purple? Is all the design in the world now purple? What do you think? Dark fantasy, wow. Okay. Awesome. Your gamified habit trackers, your account. Sign up and log in as more secure. Create habits, multiple subtasks, each with their own XP gold reward. Your character levels, complete habits and earn XP. Completing habits subject gives you XP and gold with satisfying animation. Fight enemies Pokemon style with attack mechanics, battle logs, and reward for winning. gradients animation, game-like UI. All right. Let's sign up again. Let's sign up. Failed authentication. Oh yeah, because I have to create a character. Obviously. Yeah. Yep. And I don't have a name. That's not cool. Maybe can change the name, but man. Here we go. Hero's name. Okay. Let me show it to you. What's enter hero's name? Level 1 XP, health, defense. Begin adventure. Fail to create record. Ask to fix use 1 AI credit. How many credits do I have? 4 AI credits left. Oh, it did cost just 1 AI credit to create them? Database error. Fetch from... Why is it not working? To get a better fail to create. But I do like it that he's like realizing himself that something is wrong. That is cool. I think that is cool. Begin adventure. Fail to create record. Create character. Okay, yeah, there's something wrong right away. There's something wrong right away, okay. Yeah, ask to fix them. Is there something else I can fix? If you run into errors that can't be fixed after multiple times. Hours. It's just analyzing everything. I can't tell him exactly what was wrong. I fixed the character creation page to ensure all required fields have proper default values when creating a character. Fix the issue, updated file. Fix the issue by ensuring all required fields have explicit default values in the character creation. The key changes are that XP golden events are now explicitly set to 0 instead of relying on undefined values, which was causing problem error. Yeah, good that you have failed to create record. I would say it's not the best start so far. Did it not update the code? I mean... what's going on? We did not even really start and it's already not working. Okay. Yeah, well, what shall we tell you, my friend? Failed to create record. Refresh preview, maybe it did not refresh. But I think it did actually. Yeah. And I'm gonna use another. Oh well. Not fix the error. And one grid was used. That's just great, right? So if I'm gonna tell him one more time. Or shall I ask him himself? I'm not sure what is better. Following. Yeah, let him try one more time. Let him try one more time. I mean, that's a little bit clunky right away. What about here? Yeah, we are fighting actually, right? I mean, it's working. what was that? Challenge. Battle in progress. Goblin. Strong attack. Oh, I mean, that is very easy game. Or am I just too good for this? I mean, it's obviously not so engaging as we have done before, but I also did not... I wasn't precise enough in what I want. I just wanted first of all to find out how exactly the credit thing works and so on. Gamesmag, добрый вечер, друг мой. Как тебе дела? Gamesmag, my friend, how are you? But I do find it kind of funny that we were trying like to fix an error. We used one AI point for that. It did not fix it. That's perfect. You're good? What is the word of the day, my friend? Word of the day. Чем ты сегодня научился? Character creation page. Updated apps. Who's gonna bet on it that it's still not working? I think it's still not working. I don't have the biggest... Отличный вопрос. That is a great question. Isn't it? Okay, let's try one more time. Maybe he doesn't like my name. Wow. Wow. Good job. What is now having? What? But it used 2 points, didn't it? No, I'm not sure. Okay, your attack, your defense. Test your strength. I can create habit. Oh wow, that is so funny that I can simply choose myself how much I want to get. That is good. Push up. But I told him that I want to do subtask. Okay, subtask. Okay, that's at least push up or something. Push up 5. Games are great. I've been focusing on Malagasy as my side language a few minutes a day. Malagasy was the language of Madagascar people. And which words did you learn after Salama and what was the other word? It was almost the same, but Salama is right? I'm actually surprised by myself. But subtask. 5 XP gold. Yoo-hoo. What is here happening? Okay. Now arena. I mean a skeleton. The dragon, the orc. Oh wait. Can we fight right away against the dragon? I think it should be possible. It's the dragon. Oh, look at this, the background. There's actually a background. The red team. What is this? Oh my god. What? Where did you get this background picture from? I mean, that is totally not licensed, right? That is totally not a Salama, yeah. Good job. Thank you. What was the other word? How to say goodbye? I think right away Nintendo is like saying, no, stop going on working. It's definitely what they are going to say. The word of the day is scopa, meaning osprey. Why? What do you need this word for? Are you going to go on this Star Trek convention in Madagascar or what? Bird of prey. Veloma, yeah, that what it was. But I was memorizing Salama, but Veloma was when we were talking to Nano, so I wasn't so focused anymore at this point. And Skopa, why is it written in Cyrillic? I mean, I don't think that Madagascar is using Cyrillic, or are they? Or Malagasy. Okay, let's attack the dragon. Oh wow, this dragon is gonna beat us. So what is going to happen if we die? It's just gonna refresh. The Seahawks won the Super Bowl. Seahawk Osprey. You are into Super Bowl? I'm surprised. I didn't watch it. I don't know anything about the teams. But at least you know who won it. Oh wow, friends, look at this. Now our Pokemon is moving. What do you think? Is it better with this? Or just a picture? I think movement is probably better, right? Movement is probably better. No. Look at this. Okay. Oh no, this is something we need. This is something we don't need. Something like that. Okay, let's get it as well. It's a good word of the day, yeah. If you say so. Okay. If you say so, my friend. If you like it, then it's the most important thing. But I am right. They are not using Cyrillic, right? For writing system. Malagasy people. It would be very, very surprised. Как ты бы узнал это слово без меня? How would I know this word without you? I could not. I would never know it. No kidding. It is very, very improbable that I would know it. Malagasy uses the Latin alphabet. Okay, good to know. So the word salama. Oh my god, how was the other one? I have to memorize it, otherwise GameSmack's gonna hate me. Salama and Veloma. Salama and Veloma. Wow. This is exactly how they are written. They are not like different, you know, like in Espanol or in other, or in Turkish or in Norwegian, some specific symbols on the head. It's exactly how it is written. Alright, friends. Skopa, Danish Pendian Halietus. Хищная птица, распространенная в обоих полушариях, единственный представитель монотипичного семейства скопиных. Malagasy has accents, but not in these words. Okay, cool. How do you like the language so far? Have you heard it somewhere? Like YouTube, or I assume on your special agent thinks you're gonna hear it. Dragon has bested you. Bested? Is that really how you can say that in English? Dragon has bested you. Train harder to try again. So the health is back. Okay. Yeah. I'm not getting really health from that. Gold from that, do I? I don't understand. Do I get... Oh, is it actually doing a minus when we are unfinishing it? That would be cool because the other program did not do it. Or I'm not getting anything. Could be a possibility as well. Yeah, because it's... Okay, wait a second. Yeah, 10. Right away, 10 push-ups. So are we going to have more gold for then? Yeah. But we had 11, now we have 15. Malgazia's accent is still the same, okay. So how exactly is the deal working with the credits? I don't understand. Upgrade within 29 days to keep your website. I see. So Hostinger is definitely not the way to go, I think. Hosting is definitely not the way to go. If you want to go for free, of course. Oh, so we're getting here. Okay. It's... so far hosting is a little bit strange, honestly. Start with domain name, reach. How many subscribers do you have? 0. Why is it asking me that? It's like, it feels like it wanted to diss me. Try free for 1 year. Up to 100 unique subscribers per month. Send 200 emails per month. Oh, this is just for the... This is just for the hosting a reach. Yeah, so far it's... what shall I say? It's good. I don't understand very much the pricing so far. Explorer, $7 and 30 iCredits per month. Get $12, 12 months for 83. No free domain. Create 1 website. Add user accounts, login data storage protectors. I'm not sure, but I would say somehow Lovable feels better, but also we have to say, for example, Lovable costs at least $25, right? If we're going to upgrade then. For 100 credits per month. $25. Oh, this is quite expensive. I mean, look at this. Okay. The power died as soon as you finished reading my messages. In Norway. In Norway, the power dies sometimes. I thought like Norway is the perfect place to be. Really? At your home, my friend? But you're fine, I hope? Not a big outage, just here. Okay. I hope so. I hope so. Is it happening regularly that electricity goes out? Yes, it has been recently. Really? Is there like a reason why? Because I mean, it's not like so in Germany, for example, it's not very often. Is there like a, or what are the news saying what it is? The official version. Especially if you say it's just recently. I would like to know. Good look, lulu. Yeah, well, it's really sad with the topic where the Soul Spark. It's quite sad. We were so close to... Oh, exhausted. Wow, look at this. It even added the exhausted thing. That is cool. That is very cool. You see? We were so close, friends. Gershon writes, either the usage is too high, I'm not alone, and my energy consumption hasn't changed. Wait, or something is faulting causing it. So wait, is it just in your house? I'm not sure if you're living in like in a more family 30 like or like 10 to 12 store like 10 levels or is it like a small house? I'm renting part of a house. And they're not living like 20 families, but 2 or 3, right? Something like that. So in Germany, I was living like in 3 levels of... is it called stores? Oh, die... Wie nennt man Etagen? Games, Mike. Nennt man Etagen in Englisch? Which... One. Oh, just one other family. Stores. Sorry, floors. Floors, yes, that's possibly what I was looking for. Interesting. So it's just for your house that the outage is happening? But you're not like Bitcoin mining or something? Wow, look at this, how good it is. Too thirsty to fight. Complete drink water subtask. This is so good. That is so good. And also with this exhausted over the picture. It's very cool, actually. Yeah, but what shall we do, friends? What shall we do with the drunken sailor now? I mean, the funny thing is, even if we would say like we're going for 100 credits a month, I'm not sure if 100 credits would be enough. But GameSmog, by the way, is your electricity back again? Электричество вернулось. Свет вернулся. Yeah, actually, Russian are more saying like light, like свет вернулся. Да. Хорошо. Yeah, that. So it's very short out. Just in Georgia, usually we have outages and takes at least like a few hours. Svetofor. Svetlana. Yeah. I think I would like to save everything locally. That is something that we should do. For that, I'm gonna create a something. Let's go for here problem. Let's go here. Let's create here something like it's called to get a better. Friends, we have a sunken. So we would like to get it. Svetofor, Svetlana. TypeScript. You like it? Isn't it? Is it actually bad for you to see like script on screen after work? I use it? Yeah. I assume so a little bit. But can you help me with that? Games like, please. We need to make to. I need this app. We need to finish it. Easy busy, brata. Well, that's very cool, man. By the way, I was wondering, GameSmug, would you like to see Wally, by the way? She's streaming right now. So if you like, yeah, she's streaming. She started after me, but she's doing better, a lot better than I do. You want to have a shout out? But don't talk too much about me, okay? On stream, because she did not tell about me on stream yet. Shout out. Is it working? Is there a shout out? So, did it work with the shout out? I'm not sure. And she's talking in Russian, so you can learn very good with Russian probably there. But I'm not sure if it worked. GameSmug, you're not telling me something. Did it work or not? Because I can't see it in this chat, because there's a combined chat and it's not showing. Yeah? Okay, very good. It's also the stream that you can see here behind me, so you can definitely join. She's gonna be happy, I'm sure, to see you. So, and while GameSmug is going Okay, public and public file. What do we else? What else do we have? Public folder source. Oh no. What? How did this happen? I must support you? Yeah, it would be cool, my friend. Super base. Do you know already what my problem is at the moment? Because I'm not you probably haven't been at the beginning of the stream. As you know, I was using this lovable how is it called, vibe coding thing, but I didn't know that the 5 credits a day that we're getting for free, there's a monthly limit. And now it's just an 8th or 9th and we are already out of the limit. So the refresh is going to be just in March. So I'm trying to think now how we can get this out finally, that it's gonna work, because at the moment it's not perfectly working yet. Especially the battle topic here. Yeah. Oh wow, source. Oh my god, we have so many. Oh, okay, but this is just the PNGs. That is the authentication form. Her Be Right Back screen has the hairstyle you once used to have. Yeah, that's true. By the way, Games Mike is on your stream. Wow, this look. He says that he likes your hair. It's like my hairstyle before I got shaved. Yeah, that's totally true. And she's saying hello to you. Она тебе махает рукой. I think it would be funny to see for you what she's just like eating now. I'm giving backstage information. Nobody knows in her stream, but I know. Oh, they know. Okay. All right. So let me go on saving all this stuff somehow. So we have assets, components, contexts. What is context? Data. I'm actually surprised by this TypeScript topic, because I was using like Python, no, JavaScript and so on. What is TypeScript? I've never heard it before. I was using Lovable, but I was also not like a big developer, right? So why is TypeScript now so hyped or so much used, if I may ask? JavaScript plus explicit types. So this is basically the idea. That's why it is a little bit better, because it has the possibility of explicit types. It helps prevent certain errors and bugs. Oh. That's how it works. This is gonna be quite a work to download all the files, but I think we should do it. Because my other idea is now to download all the things we have. To go to some other place, like other AIs which are for free, or even going to local AIs, and they are going to help me. Or of course, if you really want to help, but I don't think that you want to help me after work or something. I think it will be quite hard. Okay, Superbase source. Let's go to source. We have here the assets. So Sparks. Components. Contexts. Data. Hooks. This is probably not what we were talking about, right? With helping me. I must support you. Or you just meant that you're going to be on my stream, right? But I think you are not already. I would be on her stream as well, and I am actually, right? Decorations. Superbase. Pages. Tests. Types. Does this? Oh, really? But you can be on her stream as well. It's not I gotta be jealous. As I said, she's doing really, really good. And she has found already quite a cool community there. The Russian-speaking community is very, very, very nice. Okay, UI. Contexts. Okay, we have context. We have data. We have the hooks. Integration. Subbase. A lib. There's no subfolder. Pages on a subfolder. But am I assuming right that you're not very happy seeing code after work? Do we have now everything? I think we have everything. UI. Do we have UI? Yeah. Okay, so now we can download one file after another. Oh no, Superbase is migration as well. Wait, what? Where's the Superbase? Now I'm confused. Is Superbase in source? No, it's Superbase. Superbase migrations file. Migrations. Oh wow, there is really a lot here. I'm not sure if it is actually really using all of that. Okay, so let's download everything. Let's start from public. We're going to download the favicon. What is happening? I cannot download it? Oh no, it is working, but it is doing something strange. So public, favicon. We have the favicon. Can we save that as well? Failed to load. Okay. Can we like save it specific? Oh, it's okay, maybe like that. Hello, Googlebot. I see. We are not bypassing the big things. Okay, those pictures I should have already, but assets, soul sparks. But GameSmack, what do you think? Is there a possibility? Have you ever used some wipe codes yourself? What you could recommend? But I think you did not, probably, right? Okay, let's try to go on now. What do we have so far? Yeah, we're gonna download it anyway. Yeah, gonna download it anyway. Wait, but this is not in public, right? Should be source, assets. Aquafin. Oh man, it's gonna take a while, friends. This is gonna take a while. I don't know. The other possibility would be, of course, if you're going to pay the $25. But it's quite a lot. It's quite a lot, actually. Oh, also, friends, we have a Pokemon Hour chain. If you would like to get one. Do we have the Farax? Yeah. No. Oh, yes. Oh, we did. Download failed. Oh, yeah, because I said I should not download it. Okay, so we have the assets, components. I don't think that actually the authentication is gonna work. Probably. Let's close everything. Okay, authentication. What happened? Is it realizing that I'm downloading everything? It's trying to hinder us. So this is in components, authentication. All right, we have that. Oh, I shouldn't close this last one here, obviously. Oh no, wait. It's here. UI. Let's go for the UI. And we're going to the UI. Going to save it here. It would be funny if at the end I found out that there is actually a possibility to download everything with one button or something. But I don't think so, actually. I mean, it's in a way like a backup that I'm doing anyway. Even if I'm gonna decide at the end that I should simply go on using the service. But I do already like how it looks and how it feels so far. It is a good point. It's far from everything that I imagine about the program, about the app. Calendar. Is there a calendar? Didn't even know that there is a calendar. Okay, card. Checkbox. Command TSX. I mean, that's definitely not as fun as one would hope. Oh my god, there's still so much to go. That is very long. What is this actually? Drawer. What is it doing? I don't understand. Drawer portal. I'm a little bit surprised of how many files there are. And I wonder if the AI is doing on purpose so many different files so that it's going to be harder to save them. I get the feeling like this might be true. I get the feeling. Pagination. And what is TSX then? You were talking about TS, right? Or was it TSX? Oh, I'm a little bit confused. It is called TSX, right? There was not just TS. It's not such a thing. Hier gibt es auf jeden Fall keine deutsche Effizienz zu sehen. Ja, das ist wahr. Das ist wahr. Vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. I should use my bot which I downloaded, where you can like tell him to do repeated stuff, but I think that would be even more complicated. Is it possible maybe that I can download everything? Well, database. I mean, those are the databases. Those are not the files themselves. Advanced settings. Disk space usage, by the way, 270 megabytes. Actually, not that few. Enable test and live environment. Real developers are too lazy to avoid finding better solutions to stuff like that. What do you mean? Like, because I'm not a real... Wait, is it like laziness is good? Yeah, laziness is good sometimes, of course, but isn't it at the moment my own... the only possibility I have to save my data from the servers? Oh, there's an SQL editor. But it doesn't help me actually, right? Because the files are probably not reachable with the SQL, are they? There has to be a better way. Okay, my friend, then help me. Help me. I have no idea about SQL. Okay, can I use SQL to... The Shiggy is laughing at me. But don't laugh, just tell me what to do, my friend. Is there an SQL? Is there an SQL? Have you tried Google? For what? To ask him how to get my stuff out of Lovable? Lovable? To the files from a Lovable server? No, I did not Google because who would do that actually? There's no way that someone has... I wouldn't even know how to write it, how to download stuff. Yeah, step by step, as I did. All files. You can either sync it... Wait, I can sync it to GitHub? Or zip file from the Lovable interface. That's not true. Wait, can we... Okay. Okay, the GitHub icon. Can we get it to GitHub? That would be funny. Is there a GitHub icon? I don't think there's a GitHub icon. Oh wait, there is the GitHub icon. Sync your project to GitHub. I've never used GitHub. Is that the way, Games Mike? Would that be possible? If we are syncing into GitHub, GitHub. If it lets you sync, that's a good solution, yeah. Sounds good. So I need first the GitHub. But in GitHub, everyone can see it, right? It can be private on GitHub. Oh, same, my friend. Thank you so much. Man, you are helping me actually a lot. That is strange. But you know, as long as I'm doing this, I could have already downloaded almost anything. Don't you think so? Oh, also Pokemon is now a chat, friends. What about next time? I mean, we're probably not going to continue with with Lovable. Wait, what? Anyone in your Lovable workspace can add Lovable projects. Organization. Add an organization, what? No, ladna. No, it's perfectly fine. That's a good idea. I was just joking, actually. I was just joking, my friend. Connect. Confirm transfer to set up two-way sync. You're moving the only instance of this project to your GitHub organization. This means the project will now live in your GitHub and must remain there to keep syncing with Lovable. You can continue editing your project in Lovable as long as access to GitHub repository remains. What? Now I'm confused. Should I do that or not? What do you think? Transfer anyway? Yeah, it's transferred anyway. Whatever. Whatever, friends. Oh no, you can see my repository. Okay, wait a second. Oh wow, friends, look at this. We are online on GitHub. I'm a developer. But it's actually it's on private, by the way. So that's good. But also maybe it's not necessary. I can place it on public as well, probably. Games Mike, you are the man. Just because of you, we can now just click on this button and get everything. Isn't that cool? Man, Games Mike, you're the man. You know, you're the man. You're the man. Good job. You're good job. Lovable direct. Lovable. There has to be a better way, he says. That is not German efficiency. You're right. No, I don't think German efficiency exists. Still exists. Let's say it like that. GitHub. First time using GitHub, friends. Bam. Am I now cool? Games my thanks so much. Okay, so we have all our files. Is it as well saving actually the pictures and so on? I think it is, right? Wow, it is. Wow, that's cool. You see? Man, you helped me really a lot. I think I would have sitting here till 11 o'clock or something. So 1 more hour. And just downloading all this stuff. Okay. Okay, what now? What now, though? What about these things? I don't like hosting her at all. So instead of using Hostinger, I think I would prefer to use Lovable. But at the end, we also have to take a look on. So what if we're going to finish the project, right? And I do have a website at the moment, so why should I use Lovable then to host it? Especially the hosting would be, how much would the hosting alone cost? Is there a possibility to just have hosting? I think there's not really, right? Doodaloo, 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 doodaloo. How domains work? Purchase new domain. So how much does it cost to have a domain here? Oh, look at this. So if you want to connect a custom domain, you have to make sure that you are a paid Lovable plan. So this means that we at least have to pay about $25, probably, right? To just to just continue to use it, probably, right? That's very problematic. Powers project ready. Dee-doo-doo-dee-doo-doo-dee-doo. Let's listen to some music, friends, because I'm getting tired.
Alright, ready, here we go. Everybody hit the flow. Everybody hit the flow. Everybody hit the flow. Alright, ready, here we go. Drop it down and keep it low. Drop it down and keep it low. Drop it down and keep it low. Alright, ready, here we go. Everybody hit the flow. Everybody hit the flow. Everybody hit the flow. Alright, ready, here we go. Drop it down and keep it low. Drop it down and keep it low. Drop it down and keep it low. Alright, ready, here we go. Alright, ready, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Drop it down and keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Drop it down and keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low.
Choopy. Yeah, friends. I think I'm thinking. I think to try to use openly available AIs, which are going to help me to convert this into an WordPress plugin. Or, of course, but I think we have to rewrite like the authentication stuff. What about all the databases, by the way? Do we see here the databases as well? No, right? Wolololo. those follow the steps things, that is something that they would have to do, for example, in the Microsoft Code thing. How is it called? Microsoft Code script, Microsoft Code. What's it called again? Visual Studio Code. Right? And would I be able to see it right away, all the changes? Oh wow, look at this, the flary on this. Why is it so big compared to the others? Why are you so big? Actually, I would like to use even better balls, by the way. Was it hyper balls? It doesn't exist. How are the better balls? Super balls? Oh, use Pokeball, Great Ball. Use Great Ball. Yeah, let's use Great Ball. Great Ball. Very good. Hyperball. I think it was a thing in German. I think they were called hyperballs. I'm not perfectly sure, but I think something like that. Which changes will be also reflected in Lovable? That's interesting. So could we, in a way, continue to edit the code, leaving it simply, for example, in GitHub, or actually developing it with a Visual Studio, like local? And for example, when the new month is there, we could also continue to edit it with Lovable. Never used so much Visual Studio. Don't even know when I have updated it the last time. Is it called Visual Studio Code? Is it going to work with that? What have I developed here actually? Game. Oh, this. Yeah, I was trying to recover my OBS. I have to stretch a little bit, like to the right, to the left. That's so good. Okay, so how would we do that here, for example? Oh, we can't see the Visual Studio, right? Clone the repository. So do we have to like start or what? Man, I'm so new to that. Let me first add probably the Visual Studio that you can see that as well. Visual Studio. There we go. I'm not even sure if we can use exactly this version for that. So how can we do this GitHub stuff? I was thinking about run, but to open remote window, GitHub code space. It's like here, terminal. Yeah. Can we now use like this? Learning by doing, right, friends? Oh wait, that's not working. Wait, what? Oh, it's PowerShell. How is PowerShell working? How can you copy? Oh, what's going on? What's going on? I'm not even sure if you have to use that. How is it working? How can I copy something? Is it with Control Shift, something like that? Oh wow. I'm not sure if we're at the right place. Oh no. Wait, do we just to the link of the... Are we going to the link of the How does it work? Clone the repository using the project's git URL. The project's git URL. Do we need those little... Oh, you don't see them, right? Could not create work 3 gear. Invalid argument. Well. Can we go just for GitHub? No. What is... Wait, wasn't there like a GitHub before I go to GitHub thing? Oh man, friends. Oh wait, GitHub code space. Is that what we need? I don't think so. Wait, isn't that actually something that we need? We don't have really much possibilities to do here, I think. But there's a documentation. Do you think it's possible to watch that without...
So today we're going to run my JavaScript project in GitHub Codespaces.
Oh
So
no.
while we're creating our code space, you might have the question, what even is a code space? A code space is an instant cloud developer environment where we can run, test, debug, push everything that we're used to doing in a development environment, but without any of the machine setup we're used to doing locally. So when we create this code space, you'll see we land in a machine that is already set up, and it has Python, Node, Docker, and even more, so it has tools like Java and Rust and Go and C++. But you'll see we landed in the default image. The great thing about code spaces is you can fully customize your setup, not only for you, but for everyone else who comes along in this repository. So you can have a config as code setup that allows you to use your own image or Docker file or Docker Compose. So for our app, we're actually just gonna go ahead and start it up. So we're gonna run npm start here, and you'll see that we're told our app is running on port 3000, and we can open it in the browser and connect securely to a forwarded port that has our app fully up and running. So you'll see here's my Node app up and running, connected to in a code space, and this took us about 60 seconds to get set up in code spaces. So you can imagine this fully customized to really bring down the setup time for really every repository you have. And it's a quick look at GitHub code spaces.
Friends, I'm a little bit lost here. Or we can clone. Maybe we have to do like clone. I saw that somewhere. I thought there was a clone possibility. Now connect to code space. Okay. We're connecting to something.
Give me some of that.
There are no code space available. What? Would you like to create one? Okay. Select branch you would like to use for the code space. Usage paid. What? Is it going to cost money? Oh, wow. Friends, look at this. I don't know what is happening, but it feels like we're getting to the right thing. But, the extension GitHub Copilot chat wants to sign in using GitHub. What is that? Service also provided by GitHub to search or Okay, I assume. Was the friends we have a Pokemon? No chat. Maybe wrong. Too late. At the moment, I don't understand. Do we have to pay for that thing that we have done there with these code spaces thing? I don't understand that. 2 core. One. There's already 1 gigabyte. Okay. We are here. I don't know how we got here. Talk more, see the full list here. Want to use a custom image instead? Learn more here. To explore VS Code. Just for this, search using the command palette. Edit the way you run your app as usual, and we will automatically make it available for you to access. What? Is it like possible to run that? Couldn't be accessed. Workspaces. Okay. That's a wild ride I'm doing here, honestly. But if we don't have databases, right? We don't have databases at the moment, do we? Finish setup. UCI features. Using npm as the preferred package manager. Found multiple log files. To resolve issue, delete the log files that don't match your preferred package manager. To a value other than auto. The log files that don't match your preferred package manager. Is it like something that is in our repository, or is it So where is this npm manager? Npm package? No. npm. Or change the setting. Where's the setting at all? The remote explorer. What is that? What is this actually? I don't understand. Do I have now a server somewhere for free or what? How does it work? I mean, 2 cores, 8 GB of RAM. What's that? Reboot container. Add the dev container. Don't understand anything here, friends. But we do see the files from GitHub here. Do you want to code to open the external website? Okay. Package log JSON. What is happening? Oh, you can't see it at the moment, can you? We can build a house of cards. Okay. Okay. That's all I can say probably right now. And I mean, this is the npm thing is also what the GitHub told us. $60 credits used, yeah. Disable analytics. Lead project. We're currently experiencing an elevated number of errors due to an issue with the downstream servers. Okay. Oh, you can't see it, by the way. So, but do you understand it right? Are we actually now able to... I mean, we are able to adapt probably the files, but not the database, right? It's a little bit strange. Toodaloo, toodaloo, toodaloo. Body is root script. That is the head. That is the body. Here the script main TSX is starting. This is in a way the beginning, and now we are create root. Wow, what is going on? Delete the log files that don't match your preferred package manager. I have no idea what it means by then. Well, this is all a very interesting story. Can we like do now the things that they were recommending us with the codes, with the npm, npmi? Maybe? What do you think, friends? Matters instead have been warned. Instead of for a more what? Use your platform's native DOM exception instead. Everyone busy for moderate, for high. But I have done this on the space, right? And I'm so confused, friends. npm super for VS Code. I'm quite confused, yeah. Because if I'm understanding right, we are working now on a code space of GitHub. A workspace of GitHub. Are we not? I'm not sure, friends. Okay, great. Root document get element by root. Import app from app. TSX. Import toaster. What is this toaster thing? You're hacking the Pentagon? Yeah, I think so, man. Mario, hello there. It feels exactly like I'm hacking the Pentagon, for me at least. Long time no see, my friend. How you doing? How have you spoken in the new year already? Are you already a millionaire? So many questions. But I would love to hear everything. It's the first time. Hello, my friend. Oh, it's so good to hear from you, actually. So, how's your poker career going? Would love to hear. Unfortunately, not. But I'm working on it. Oh, no, I see. You're working on it. And you're not streaming that often anymore, right? I mean, I've been streaming for a while as well, as you noticed. But still. Or are we just missing out on each other in terms of you're streaming on another time than I do? I'm asking too many questions. Sorry for it. I'm getting tired already after this Pentagon hack here. I've streamed like 5-6 times in those 5-6 times, but it's though quite a lot more than I thought, because I can't remember you streaming it once, strangely. But I assume it is still because you're doing the tournaments. It's not so easy to stream that. Is that the reason? Or is there another reason? The year is already hard, lol. Found a new job. Oh, really? So you are working now probably more than before, right? I have not so much time for streaming, I see. So I hope though the job is good. I hope you like your new work. Pew, 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 pew. I like it, but much more stress. Oh man, that's not cool. So there are always advantages and disadvantages. Is it okay to ask what kind of job it is? Like, I'm not sure how much you're telling about that in public. I can say it in German, yeah, of course. Is it going to be more public then? It's Projektleiter für Brandmeldanlagen. Wow, okay. So it's like a project leader of fire alarm devices, something like that. Fire security, yes. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool, actually. So you are now literally burning cards, like poker cards, on your work. If something goes wrong, you're just, I'm gone, and you're throwing cards at them. Yeah, I watched too many movies, I think. No, but it's really cool to hear from you. But how you're still in Vienna, I hope. What about you? How is your year till now? It is crazy fast. This is definitely what I would like to say because it's already like February. It feels still in Vienna. It feels for me like just like 2 weeks ago it was New Year Eve, right? But it's already 2 months. And at some point in this year I have to go quite probably to Kazakhstan or something. So this is planned so far, but I'm not sure when. And also I was trying to develop an online app, which is an habit tracker, like an online habit tracker with which is but gamified. So you can do your daily quests, like doing everyday push-ups or something, but you're also having the possibility to fight in the battle arena. And oh man, I can't fight it because so it's basically like you can play a game as well, like a Pokemon game kind of, and you can gather your Pokemon and so on. Wait, I have to do the daily quest drinking water because all my soul sparks, which are like kind of little monsters. So those are all those monsters I caught. Yeah, so I was developing a web app, but suddenly this website is not giving me free credits anymore, and now I'm trying to look for a solution. Oh wait, you can't see anything. You're just looking at the you're just looking at the code. You're just looking at the code. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Sounds interesting, but very hard for coding too. Yeah. Maybe, but I was using like this website was doing everything for me. It's like the vibe coding where a AI is coding for me. And I was giving her just the things to do, like in plain language, right? But yesterday, the app told me, nah, you can't use so many credits. And now I am stuck till the 1st of March, and it's not perfect yet. And I wanted to bring it to the end, right? Yeah, I'm creating my own, of course. They're called also Soul Sparks, so those are the one which I created so far. Also kind of cute, I think, but yeah. It's not that, not like real Pokemons. It's just created by myself. Or actually not myself, but of course with help of some AIs as well. So yeah, you could do like doing push-ups. You're saying you have done it, then you get XP, gold, and tickets. And with this battle tickets, you could fight in the battle arena. Let me try to show it to you. For example, this one. You could fight in the battle arena against other Soul Sparks, and you could catch those Soul Sparks again, right? Misotro Rano Aho. What? Hope you create a Gengar too. Oh, right, that was your most favorite one. I remember. Now when you say it. Yeah, we don't have a Gengar yet, but we have a Felisoul at least. It's at least some ghostly cat so far. Gamesec writes, Misotro Rano. Is it again your Madagascar language? You drink water. Literally drink water, you. Looks cool, right? Not so bad. Yeah, so we were very close to a finish line, but suddenly the enemy is like this hamster-like enemy is just far too strong at the moment. If I'm trying to attack it, it's gonna kill me like half of my health. It's just far too strong. Right? So There are quite a few problems at the moment with the code. Looks cool? I think so. So as I said, I was using myself like other habit trackers where you can gamify it as well. But I didn't like all the time the battles, so how the battle system is working. And so I thought, why not try to do it yourself, you know? And also the Soul Spark have like Tamagotchi style hunger and dehydration. So you have to feed them as well and so on. And like you're giving them water by drinking yourself. So there's like this daily habit to drink water. And if you're drinking yourself, then the Soul Sparks are dehydrated, like getting water as well. So yeah, many interesting ideas, I think, but you maybe already flee or something. Lol. Yeah, Tamagotchi. Tamagotchi, Pokemon, and habits all in one. Yeah, so I thought maybe it's cool. Maybe it's cool. And also I have, of course, a lot more ideas, but at the moment we are at the point where the battle system is not working perfectly yet, so which is more important. Yeah, but thank you for asking. I'm not sure if you wanted to hear that, but but yeah. How's your girlfriend doing as well? I think, if you remember right, you were streaming like the poker things as well with together in a way. Mario writes, I mean, my knowledge is too low about programming to give you ideas. Yeah, my knowledge is too low as well. This is why you said it totally correctly about this part with the code. It's for me a little bit like the Pentagon now, because I did not create the code, right? So I can see the code, but I have to think through it myself now to understand what is happening. You know AOT? What is AOT? Is it a game or what is that? AOT. Attack on Titan. Like the enemy? Yeah. I know the enemy. Is it called AOT really? Oh, bro. That is such a profound profound shortage. Yeah, I know it. What about it? You watch it? I did a little bit, just the first season, a few episodes, but I did not really like it, honestly. I'm more like the Naruto type. I found it a little bit too... how to say? I mean, in Naruto there's really like a big philosophy in a way, really. And Attack on Titan feels like just showing a lot of action. You asked about my girlfriend. She is sitting next to me watching. Oh, really? Yes, Naruto man. That's my anime. Absolutely, right? Yeah, you're my guy as well. Naruto is the one. I mean, I also, of course, when I was young, I watched like Sailor Moon was probably first, then Pokemon, then Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball, of course. That was also a lot. What I watched a lot. And when I started to train and to get fit a little bit. You don't like it too? Yes, my man. High five. Dragon Ball was a must as kid. Yes, absolutely right. So Attack on Titan is also not my... I don't know what... Don't even know exactly why, but I just think it's strange, like the naked titans and so on. I don't know. So you have watched all the Naruto as well? Because I mean, there are a lot of episodes, right? And a lot of fillers. What do we have there? A fish? Is that a fish or what is that? Wow, it's really a fish. Attack on Titan. Titan. Yes, a lot of it is, yeah, exactly. Yeah. I mean, I've watched a little bit of Jujutsu Kaisen, but this doesn't feel as deep as well. So there are not that many deep philosophy anime as Naruto, for example. Really. But of course you have also like to feel it, that there is a really a deep philosophy behind that. Like every person, there's not really evil and good in the way, right? Jujutsu Kaisen is crazy. Yeah, it's good animated. I like it definitely a lot more than Attack on Titan. I definitely like it a lot more. But I think so far I've seen just one season. Yeah, one season totally, and just the beginning of the second. Yeah. Just beginning of the second. So I'm not that far into it yet. I mean, I've watched also like Free Ren or something. Journey of Free Ren. It's also not so bad. You have to watch it. Your brain will explode. I'm not sure if I want my brain to explode, but I definitely got to watch it. As I said, this is definitely a lot more interesting than Attack on Titan for me. Attack on Titan Junior High? What is that? What is this? Wow. That looks very interesting. Okay, cool. No, definitely gonna watch it then. If you are saying that I should watch it, then there's no way around it as well. So when is going to be your next stream, if I may ask? So what do we have here? Also, friends, I'm not sure if Mario is going to stream, but in any case, I definitely want to give a shout out. So shout out to Mario. But am I writing your name right? Because I always thought that is an A, an L. Mario. I hope it's right. I'm not sure if it's showing. I'm sorry, didn't want to interrupt you and your stream with enemies. It's all good, my friend. I wanted to be interrupted, as you realize. Next stream, really don't know, but if you are into poker, I mean, I'm talking now to the chat, please follow Mario. He's definitely the person who can help you with all the questions you might have and how to get rich. He's definitely... he's definitely on this side. No, it's all good. I'm happy to talk about that. As I'm always saying, whatever I'm doing on stream, you are here for me and I'm here for you. So if you want to talk about something, I love to talk about. Already followed while he's writing. Oh, very good. I'm not sure if GameSmug is still there. I think he followed you as well, by the way. I do not have many new viewers probably at the moment, because I'm doing strange stuff. I'm doing always strange stuff. That's all I do actually. But yeah, I also going off soon probably. because it's getting quite late here. But yeah, so maybe we have a solution doing the code by ourselves. But this is of course going to be a lot more of a pain. Okay guys, thanks to interact with me, but I have to go. Have some work to do. My friend, of course. And also high five one more time for Naruto. Thanks for being here. Thanks for being here and great time I wish you as well. Bye bye. Alright, so maybe I found the solution as I said. But I would like to try one thing, you know? So if we are in the index HTML and we are like writing here. Wait, is that actually the title? No, that's actually not what I was talking about. Boom, boop, beep, boom. I mean, here's the title, but which title is that? Is that... Oh, there's this one? No, there's Love Lab. So probably that is not really showing... Oh, maybe this is the login, right? Probably it's showing on the login. So what about the main TSX? Is that there? Nope. App TSX, maybe then. What are we loading here? Import pages. Pages. Describe the build X. Is this agent going to work? Which agent is going to use? I wonder. Components UI toaster. What is this UI toaster? Dum 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 dum. Let's go for the toaster then. This is in source components UI toaster. What is the toaster? What is the toaster? Toast title. Toast close. Import toast. Oh wait, is it? Oh wow, is it really open up? No way. No, it's not. Okay, so there's the toast. What exactly is happening here? Toast. Those are a lot of files, friends. I don't really think that I can be gonna be able to understand all of that. That's not what I wanted. Wait, where did it go now? Now this code thing is totally gone. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Okay. I don't understand why it is so complicated, actually. Is it maybe because this way, like, Lovable wouldn't have to look through so many code, like so much code, but if it is just like split it up in a lot of TSX, then it can just read one specific TSX and correct that. I think it might be a reason, right? Because there are just a lot of crazy files. Is it really even needed? Animate pulse. What is the animated pulse? Is it like that? Is there like a glow somewhere or a pulse? I've never realized that. Or is it like the experience bar? Skeleton. Friends, we have a doddler. Doddler in the chat. We have just the best Pokemon. Oh no, again, no. Pokeballs. Pokeshop, Pokeball. Pocket catch. Sidebar stats. Cookie max age. What is this sidebar? Is it this thing? We don't have really a sidebar, do we? Except of that, maybe. UI button. Oh, is it maybe for the mobile version? But there's actually no sidebar as well. Okay. Use open problem. Oh, look at this. What is this code all for? That is crazy. This is for the sidebar. I don't even know if what it exactly this is. Sidebar menu action. We don't have a sidebar. That's the strange thing. Menu button. Where's the sidebar here? I think it has some things in it which we're not using, honestly. Or am I not using the mobile version, maybe? No, this is the mobile version. Okay, more questions than answers. Well, at the moment I'm thinking that there is no way that all those files, another AI, another free AI is going to just take it in, right? And then saying, yeah, go home.
Let your body feel the rhythm groove. Feet moving, your body turn into a wave. Let it go. You gotta let it go.
Resizable handle.
Feel the rhythm moving through you. Sending out that loving vibe.
Menu bar. Where is the menu bar? I mean, that's obviously not about this, is it? Oh, you can't see what I'm talking about. Yeah. Of course not. Drop down menu. I mean, the alert dialog is something I do understand, and that is something that that I think we are using. Add habit dialog. Yeah, you see, this is understandable. All the other thing, this UI thing, it feels to me like it is not really there. It's not really used. Streak completed today. Good dates. So, just for understanding, this is if we are saying new quest. If I'm moving like that, is it moving with me? No. Okay, so const habits. This is exactly this icons, right? Then enter interface, add habit dialog props. Created add ID streak. This is something that is probably what is saved into the database, isn't it? ID streak. Export const, add habit dialog. On add habit dialog props. Open use state forms. Value easy, label easy, color emerald. Gold. Emerald, gold, ruby. Yes, I understand. Gold 30. So friends, what if we are saying morning run? I would try to place, for example, morning run or home run. So if you're going to save this, is it going to be saved into Lovable as well? Oops. How can we? So let me save them. So this is not saved here. But also I'm not sure how much it is already saved to the synchronized changes. The second will pull and push one. Okay.
It's true you need hard to stop the acting. The kids outside, they won't stop laughing. But they don't know what you've been through to get here. It's your heart.
Why is it syncing so long? I mean, we changed just one thing. But it's syncing like it is downloading and uploading gigabytes.
Outside the door.
And where have we been? We're in the source. And then components. Add habit dialog, I think. Why is it saying like 2 weeks ago? An unexpected error occurred. I do wonder what is happening at the moment.
To conquer your doubts would be achieving. To live an unknown life would show you new meaning. 'Cause they don't know.
To reset URL returned error for 500. What does it mean? Pardon crew, Runa, hello there. How are you doing, my friend? How are you doing today? Did we talk already about your music? That was very good, man. Have I told you about that? I think I wrote a little bit, but not much. Going good, but I had to bed. You're going to bed already, yeah, understandable. I am going off some soon as well. We didn't talk about it, I don't think. Yeah, man, it was very, very good, and I'm looking forward to more. Been up since 1 PM yesterday. What? Why is that? Why is that, if I may ask you before you go? Honestly, no idea. I just haven't. Let's see. Man, but thank you for hopping by. By the way, Runa, do you remember Nano V9? The guy we also played Fortnite and so on. He returned. Yesterday we talked. Yeah, he returned to Twitch. So he's still in China, but he established contact to us. So quite cool. That's very nice. Yeah, I was very happy to hear from him. So he's fine, and then still in China studying now his master's degree, and also he has actually a YouTube channel. So if you would like to see it, he is also vlogging. So Wonder Cat in China. That's his YouTube channel. Wait a second, I'm gonna give it into the chat if that is going to work. So he is definitely going to be happy if you're going to leave a subscribe in YouTube. It's quite interesting as well. It's not very long videos, and you can see what's going on here. But yeah, for now, I think you're going to bed probably. Yeah, so cool thing. He talked yesterday on stream. Okay, but I'm getting still the remote internal server error. Unable to access the request or return error. Warning. I haven't tried to. I got like 20 minutes in me or some. No, all good. You can go. Please go to bed and get a nice sleep. I don't like it if you're not sleeping enough. Then it's not good for your health, my friend. It would be great if you're just going to chill out. I'm going off soon as well, so. Oh wow, that is quite a lot going on. And also I'm looking forward to your tournament, but still quite a long time to wait probably, right? I think I have it open somewhere. So. Oh, I have it here, yeah. Tournament. Oh, content is not longer available. Okay, unfortunately. But we can see it here as a picture. It's always reminding me. Yeah, it's not planned when even. Oh, okay. I thought in March you said. But yeah. How is your bass guitar doing, by the way, if I still may ask you some questions? Your credentials, repo state, and git commands are not a problem. Everything before and after. Just VS codes. Git extension trying to recover state. Temporary GitHub outage. With repos with tags, repos using GitHub app sections. Fix wait 1 to 5 minutes and rejoin. Okay. Or current remote reference cache. This warning confirms something is off locally. This does not mean your repo is broken, just the remote tracking reference. we have something like that? I'm not even sure. I am not even sure, friends. GitHub authentication on GitHub. If you're using Plastic and GitHub code spaces. Yes, we're using code spaces, I think. A token refresh can briefly cause fungus. It's good. Button has written it's good, so your best guitar is good. I'm happy to hear that. What about your planned stream with a guitar like this? How is it called? Rock guitar or something? When? Everyone is waiting. I'm sure someone is gonna write right now into the chat. We are waiting. Oops. That was a misclick. Opera opened up. And it's doing always like crazy sounds. So what do you think, friends? I think we shall go off for today. Alright, friends, I think we're going off. That's too much today with the working around. But any case, friends, that was fun, maybe. For some. For me it was fun. We did not we were not able to improve our web app at all. Wait a second. Where is it actually? Here it is. We were not able to improve that so far because we run out of credits, right? But yeah, let's see what we can do tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. All right, friends. So is there someone we can raid? Let's take a look. Let's get inventorial. Horse coding out loud. Testing stream for something I'm working on. Visualize debug physics. What is that? Man, there are so many interesting developers. Yellow is for you, other they grow. Wow, that's interesting as well. Someone is doing his own adult game. Okay, there's someone as well vibe coding, I think, but in German. But why not? WebDave DE, why not, right? Let's go for him. So friends, thanks very much for being here. Please stay a little bit with the raid. Oh my god, what is it? What is that? Have a good time, Worthy. Thank you so much. Alright, friends. Have a good time. And till tomorrow. Bye bye, friends. Thanks very much for being with us.